Hello everyone. Today is 31st December 2025 and as we are about to enter the new year 2026, many of you are confused about your career. In this video, I am going to talk about safety officer career in 2026. We will discuss how to start, how to enter the field, job opportunities, salary, future growth, and most importantly, is safety career good or bad in 2026? So if you are planning your career for 2026, watch this video till the end. First of all, Happy New Year 2026 in advance. A new year means new goals, new decisions, and new beginnings. Many students, freshers, and even working professionals are asking me, should I start a safety officer career in 2026? Is there scope in safety jobs? Is it still worth investing time and money? In this video, I will give you honest and realistic guidance. Let's first understand what a safety officer actually does. A safety officer is responsible for protecting lives at the workplace. Their job is to identify hazards, prevent accidents, and ensure workers return home safely every day. Safety officers conduct risk assessments, safety inspections, toolbox talks, accident investigations. So remember, safety is not just a job, it is a responsibility. Now let's answer the biggest question. Is safety career good or bad in 2026? My honest answer is safety career is good, but not for everyone. If you are disciplined, serious about learning, and ready to take responsibility, then safety is an excellent career. But if you want only an easy office job, no site work, and quick money, then safety is not the right field. Your success depends on your attitude, not the industry. Many people think safety jobs are only in construction. That is completely wrong. In 2026, safety officers are required in construction projects, oil and gas companies, factories, and manufacturing plants, warehouses and logistics, solar and wind energy projects, hospitals, and pharmaceutical industries. Wherever there is risk, safety officers are required. Now, let's talk about how to start. You don't need anything complicated. First, basic education, diploma or degree. Second, proper safety certification. Third, learn practical safety knowledge. Fourth, gain site exposure or internship. And finally, apply for entry-level safety jobs. If you follow these steps properly, anyone can enter the safety field. Certification plays a very important role in safety career. For beginners, OSHA or IOSH is good. But if you want global opportunities, NEBOSH IGC is still the best choice in 2026. For senior positions, certifications like NEBOSH Diploma, CSP, or ASP are required. Remember one thing clearly. In safety, certification matters more than degree. Freshers often ask, how will I get my first safety job? The answer is simple. Start with junior roles like safety supervisor or junior safety officer. Don't reject site jobs in the beginning. Focus on learning documentation, reports, and inspections. Your first job is not for salary, it is for experience. Once you gain experience, growth becomes easy. Now, let's talk about salary. In India, freshers can expect around 18 to 30,000 per month. With experience, salary can go up to 1 lakh or more. In the Middle East, freshers earn around 3,000 to 5,000 AED and experienced professionals earn 10,000 to 15,000 AED or more. So, salary depends on experience, certification, and skills. Safety career has clear growth path. You can grow from safety officer to senior safety officer to HSE engineer to HSE manager and even to EHS head or consultant. Due to strict laws, ESG requirements, and company responsibility, safety professionals will be in demand for many years. In 2026, only certificates are not enough. You must learn risk assessment, communication skills, incident investigation, safety audits, digital reporting tools. A good safety officer is someone who can communicate clearly and act confidently. Let me clear some common myths. People say safety has no growth. That is false. People say safety salary is low. That is false. People say safety is easy. That is also false. Safety is a professional and responsible career, not a shortcut job. Safety career is best for people who care about human life, are ready for side challenges, want long term stability, and are willing to learn continuously. If you have these qualities, safety career is a very good choice. So finally, safety career in 2026? Yes or no? Yes. If you are serious, yes. If you invest in skills and certification, yes. If you gain experience step by step, there are no shortcuts, but there is strong future growth. Thank you for watching this video, and once again, Happy New Year 2026. If this video helped you, please like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the HSC Coach, and press the bell icon for future updates. If you have any career doubts, comment below. I will reply. Till then, stay safe, stay skilled, and I will catch you in the next video.